So let's go to Google Forms. So open your Google. You simply go to Google. You go to Google and you type forms.google.com. So you go in, click enter. So it will take you to Google Forms right now. So this is Google's form. So you are here to create your own forms. Okay. Now the first thing you do is title. Okay, the title of the form. Here, this place where you have untitled form, you change the title to whatever you want. Let's say your title is you want to title your form, let's say Mary's consultation form. Mary's, whatever you want to type, Mary's skincare consultation form. Okay, so this is the title of your form. Now the next thing is you describe your form. Okay, you simply describe it. This form description, that is where in my own when I showed you my own, my description is where I simply gave them a welcome note. I said, hi, I'm delighted to have you here. Please kindly take a moment to fill this form to provide to answer the questions here, because it will help me to understand your skin better, right? So that is your form description. You can use that as your form description. Okay, so the next thing is you start your questions. The first question is this place where you have untitled question. So you have your the title of your question. The title of your question. Let's say this place you want to collect their names, their age, and their email. No, so the title of this particular question would be personal information, right? Personal information. Personal information. So this is section 1. Okay. What follows next will be how you want them to answer, right? Personal information. How do you want them to respond? Okay. Please, your name. So now, how do you want them to write their name? Do you want, of course, they need to type it. You don't know it, so you can't give them options. So here you select how you want them to respond. If you click on this downward arrow, that is where you will see a drop down options. That is where you can see short answer. The first one is short answer. The second one is paragraph. The third one is multiple choice. Multiple choice is where you can pick, just select the one you want. That is no more than one answer. Then you have check boxes. Check boxes is where you can select more than one answer. That is where I normally say check all that applies. Okay, so that is where you can use check boxes. So whichever one you want them to respond with, you select it here. So let's say we are selecting, okay, for name it is short answer, so we selected short answer. Have you seen it here? So they can now write their name in this column because we selected a short answer. So that's this particular one. You are done with this. Okay, for name. Then you click on this place downward. You will see where you have plus sign. That is what it means is another question. Okay, that is another question. So when you click on this plus sign downwards, it will open up another question. So let's say the second question you want to ask them is their phone number or email address. Let's say phone number, phone number. Okay, phone number. So, what type of answer option are you going to request from them? Of course, it's going to be short answer. Now we are done with that. Now you click on the plus sign again, downwards, plus sign, downwards. You click on it again for another question. This time around, you're asking them for, okay, what other personal information? Remember, we are still in section 1, which is personal information. So let's say their email address, email. So email address is still short answer because they have to type. So now we are done with the first section, which is personal information. Now we want to go to the second section, section 2,